I wanted to show you a really quick tutorial how to change this image, which I have from Unsplash for free and free to use. So thank you, Unsplash. And we're gonna start with selecting the layer. I took my time and selected this circle. It just naturally drew me into this to frame her face. So let's take a look. Control T. And unfortunately it is a little bit too big for this image, so I'm gonna go back, delete that for the time being. I'm very lucky because this is just the background color that we need to extend. There's nothing sticking out, so it should be easy job. So transform tool, and I have content aware TikTok, which is magic of Photoshop. I'm just gonna extend that a little bit this way and this way just to make it more square. Perfect. And tick yes, and Photoshop does its magic. It magically fills up all the area, and it did a beautiful job. It does a great job on patterns as well and things like that. And take a look. So we're going to move that circle over and make it bigger. So Control T, a little bit more. So I want to beautifully frame her face, like she's in the zone. So it kind of this repeats itself with a circle. It gives you very good effect. A bit more maybe. That's fabulous. I'm happy with that. So just tick yes. And you can always move it around, and not a big deal. How gorgeous that looks on her skin with glitter. So now I'm going to use the layer mask, click it on, get my pen and erase. And if you go too far, no big deal. So you go back to white and bring that glitter back where it should be. There we go. Oh, too far. There's such a high contrast between the glitter and her braid. To be really careful here because it will automatically bring all attention. That's what contrast does usually. Beautiful. So we could finish it here, or we could add a little bit of something extra. And I have this patches of glitter. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a layer underneath. Just swap it around just to show you what it is. Into my bucket tool. There we go. So make sure the right layer of glitter, and we're going to select a bit, maybe this one, and move it to our image here. So I could place it here. I'm using now Alt, holding Alt and dragging to duplicate that. And we can leave it here. I could erase a little bit. So again, layer mask always rather than eraser, because you can come back if you want to bring something back. Just gonna get the ear, maybe the hair. Oh, that's a different layer. So this one. So you have to work to your taste, really. You have to see what works for you. And for me, that looks fantastic. Oh, the wrong layer. I wish I kind of merged them two together. Easy to do. And there you go. She's covered in glitter with a beautiful and her zone of glitter. There we go. That's before. And that's after. So I hope you enjoy that one. Please let me know if you have any questions, and there's more tutorials on my channel. Please subscribe for more, and I'll leave the links in the description where you can find them. So till next time, take care, bye.